is enjoyable while reading, but sad in reality. Well, to begin with this review, I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever been a one sided lover? If the answer is yes, see the timestamps in the description and carefully note the video. And if the answer is no, then this video will be a lifetime, well, not lifetime, lesson to you, my friend. I found this book, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, in the recommendations of Bill Gates. I found out that The Great Gatsby has also been adapted into a movie starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Tobey Maguire, Amitabh Bachchan.
Very interesting.
Now, these three are among my favorite artists. So, I started reading the book so that later on I can understand the movie better. The story is narrated by a would-be author, Nick Carraway. Nick lives in New York City with a neighbor throwing expensive parties regularly. This neighbor of Nick, by the name Jay Gatsby, is the protagonist of our story. Slowly, Nick unveils the secret of Gatsby, his love for Daisy, and then the two develops a great bond of friendship. But then suddenly comes the end, the tragic end. The book, The Great Gatsby, can be said as an irony of Gatsby. But while reading this story, I felt Gatsby very relatable. The way he desires the attention of Daisy, the way Daisy doesn't recognize Gatsby's love for him and accommodates herself in an unhappy relationship. The way Gatsby gets awkward after meeting Daisy face to face. Every bit of Gatsby was so familiar to me. Leonardo DiCaprio, as a great actor he is, takes this sense even a step further in the movie The Great Gatsby, which is truly delicious to watch and very emotional. Fitzgerald depicts Nick as a co-cast. He is a catalyst who just instigates a chain of events but is never present in the outcome and is never harmed. But Nick's emotions are felt when Gatsby dies. The way he is sorry to not have shown love to Gatsby when he was alive, the way he sees the lonely house of Gatsby, the way only he is present in the funeral of Gatsby, a man whose party was attended by thousands, will tear up your eyes. There are many memorable quotes in the story, but two of them I felt the most are: following your heart is good, but not the best. Let us learn to show our friendship for a man when he is alive and not after he is dead. The Great Gatsby is a book that makes you feel the story. You will feel how lonely Gatsby was, how hurt Nick was after Gatsby's death. But it is a warning to always be consistent in your character. It will teach us that it is okay to achieve success with the fire of one-sided love, but then you must be strong and bold enough to move on. Gatsby is not only Jay Gatsby, it is a character many of us will relate to. So, my friend, read the story The Great Gatsby, feel it, go through his struggle, enjoy the story, feel his emotions, but never, never ever be Gatsby, cause it hurts. Thank you.